Hi cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw my StarShine Party Draw So Cute Girl. The reason I'm stumbling over the words is because I'm not really sure what to call her, but thanks to all of you on Instagram and on the community page on YouTube, you guys gave me some ideas of what I could call her. The inspiration came a while back around New Year's time when I saw a really pretty shimmery star skirt. And so when I saw that skirt, I'm like, oh, I can probably draw a Draw So Cute Girl based on that little skirt for New Year's. But New Year's has come and gone, and I didn't get to draw it in time for you guys. So now I don't really know what to call her. So thanks to all your help on Instagram, you guys helped me figure out some name options and also a title that I could give her. Make sure to join me on Instagram at Draw So Cute by Winnie, because a lot of times I will post up my sketches on there, and also when I need your help, I will definitely post something there where you can help me name my Draw So Cute girls. After I compiled a bunch of names that were most popular on the Instagram comments, I took it to YouTube on the community page and I asked you guys to vote. So thank you for voting, and so this new Draw So Cute girl will be named Shimmer. I think it's very fitting, right? So hopefully you guys will love this name on her and the title I'm giving her, which is StarShine Glimmer, or no, StarShine, not sure yet. I'll figure that out when I edit. StarShine something. But get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper, and let's get started.
To draw this cute girl, we're going to first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come about right here and draw the bottom of a U for her face. There, so I have her face in the curve right here. And then we're going to come back to where we started and draw a circle for her eyes right next to our edge right there. So about right here I'll start. And same thing on the other side. Close to the edge. There, so we have our eyes in. And then let's make them Draw So Cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with 2 small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. So same thing over here. So now let's come over here and give her some lashes. So just bring out 2 curves. And I'm just going to come in here and darken them. And same thing over here. And then let's come up right here and we draw her brow. So no curve right on top. Soft curve. Oh, and I forgot, I can't draw this side yet because I still have to draw her hairline. Okay, so then let's come back up here. Say about in this area. So just imagine her head's like an oval. So about right here, I'll give myself a point and draw a curve that comes down to connect. And on this side, we're going to bring a curve over all the way and connect. Okay, so now we can draw her brow. So right here. There. Okay, so then now let's draw her mouth. So right in the center, in this area, just draw a sweet little smile and cap it off. Now let's finish off her hair. So let's see here. I'm just going to bring this curve down a little bit more. Just Give it a little curve out. And on this side, I'm just giving her a strand of hair that kind of comes down. So it's kind of about right here. Draw a little curve, and I'm just going to wiggle it back up. And then right here where her hair parts, draw a line. About right here, I'll stop. And I'm going to bring a curve, come up and down and connect. So same thing over here, we're going to go up. And we're going to bring all the way around. So we're getting close to right here. And let's tuck it in. So about right here, I'll tuck it in. And let's not forget, she's going to have her ears right here. So about right here, I was just going to draw a curve for indication of her ear. And you come in here for some details. And let's see here on this side. Let's see a little bit. So I'm going to indication of her ear. From there, I'm going to go ahead and draw her little star headband right here. So come about right here and draw a curve. Right here and just draw a curve all the way across, about that much. And I'm just going to go ahead and thicken it. And then you can add maybe some little frills, curves if you want on top. And right here, I'm going to start to draw my little stars that come out. So let's see, let's start one right here, another one here, and one right here. So let's draw some stars right here. So I'm going to come one star, so I'm kind of going backwards and drawing the bottom first, and then go up, and one more here. There, we have our stars in. And then now let's come down and draw her body before we finish off the rest of her hair. So I'm going to come right to the center and give her a little neck. Right in the center. And then bring down her shoulders. And let's round off. So then now let's find her about right here, say where her armpits are, and just draw two angle lines. So bring down a little bit more, and about right there I'll connect it. So then let's come back here and give her a neckline. So right here, just draw a curve, and another one. And I'm going to go ahead and connect this part right here. And so then from here, I'm going to add another band for her dress. And then now I'm going to go ahead and poof out her skirt. So right here, I'll just poof it out. And come down and flare it out. So now let's go ahead and connect this with some wavy curves right here all the way across. There. Now let's come back up to where her arms are. So right here, and we're going to have her hands kind of around her hip area. So let's come down with this curve. Bring it in, out, close to her skirt. And about right there, I'll just go ahead and connect it. Just giving her some long sleeves. And then right here, just indication of her hand, just a little curve that comes in. So same thing over here. Come in, tuck it in, So I'm just going to drag a point across, but right here. Put it out a little bit, bring it in, and the hands. So then from there, let's draw her feet. So come center area, we're going to draw 2 angle lines. And about right here for her legs. So let's continue this down. And we're getting thinner as we go down. So about right there, I'll start to flare it out for her feet. And connect. So same thing over here. Just flare it out a little bit and connect. So let's come in here and just draw a little curve right here for her shoes. And if you want, add some X's for some straps. There. Now let's come back in here for some details on her skirt. I'm just going to add some curves to make it extra poofy. So sometimes long, shorter ones. And then, of course, let's draw a little heart right here to make her my Draw So Cute girl. And then now let's decorate her skirt with a bunch of stars. So I'm going to, at different angles, some big and some small. So I'll start here. Maybe some are kind of tucked in, so. You only see parts of it. Let's see here. And now let's draw some small ones. Make it extra magical with all these stars. And let's see here, maybe one more right here. And now for her hair. So I almost forgot. Let's come back in here. So I'm having her hair on one side. So it's a little bundled up right here. So I'm going to come in this area, put right here and just draw kind of like an indication of her hairband. And then I'm just going to wiggle some beautiful curves down all the way and just flare it out. And so maybe a little curve right here for where it's bundled up and some curves right here for indication where it's tied up.
So there, hope you guys love this new Draw So Cute girl, and thank you again for all your help on Instagram and on the YouTube community page and voting for her name and helping me out with her title. Thanks so much for watching, and if you love this new Draw So Cute girl, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.